Dialogue 1. Grocery shopping. Good morning, Helen. How are you?
Good morning, Jane. I'm well, thanks.
Are you heading to the market today?
Yes, I need some fresh vegetables.
What vegetables are you planning to buy?
I'm thinking of buying some carrots.
Carrots are great. What else?
I'll also get some potatoes.
Do you prefer red or white potatoes?
I prefer the red ones, actually.
They make delicious mashed potatoes, right?
Absolutely, and they're very nutritious.
Will you buy any fruit today?
Yes, I'm looking for some apples.
Red or green apples, Helen?
I usually buy the green ones.
They're perfect for a healthy snack.
Do you need anything from the market?
Yes, I'm out of fresh tomatoes.
Tomatoes are in season now, I think.
Yes, they are. They're very ripe.
Will you be buying anything else?
Maybe some lettuce for a salad.
Fresh lettuce always makes a salad better.
Do you prefer iceberg or romaine lettuce?
I usually go for romaine lettuce.
It's a great choice for salads.
Will you buy any dairy products?
Yes, I need some fresh milk.
Are you buying whole or skimmed milk?
I usually buy whole milk for cooking.
It's perfect for creamy dishes, Jane.
Do you need any dairy today?
I'll get some cheese, maybe cheddar.
Cheddar is always a good option.
Do you need to buy any bread?
Yes, I'm thinking of buying whole wheat.
Whole wheat bread is very healthy.
It's my family's favorite type of bread.
Are you getting any meat today?
Yes, I need some chicken breasts.
Chicken is versatile for many recipes.
Do you buy chicken often, Helen?
Yes, I like grilling it for dinner.
Grilled chicken is so tasty and easy.
Do you cook much, Jane?
I do, especially on the weekends.
Cooking at home is so satisfying.
Yes, it's healthier and more affordable.
Indeed, Jane. Shall we shop together today?
Yes, let's go to the market now. Dialogue 2. Ordering at a restaurant. Good evening. A table for one, please.
Good evening. Right this way, ma'am.
Thank you. May I see the menu?
Certainly. Here is our menu, ma'am.
I'd like to start with a drink.
Of course. What would you like?
I'll have a glass of water.
Still or sparkling water, ma'am?
Still water, please, with no ice.
Certainly. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled salmon.
Would you like any sides with that?
Yes, I'll have the steamed vegetables.
Excellent choice. Anything else, ma'am?
Could I also have a salad?
Certainly. Which salad would you prefer?
I'll have the Caesar salad, please.
Would you like dressing on the side?
Yes, please. Dressing on the side.
Anything else you'd like to order?
I'd like a small bowl of soup.
We have tomato and chicken soups.
I'll have the chicken soup, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Just the water for now, thanks.
All right. Any dessert afterward, ma'am?
What desserts do you recommend here?
Our cheesecake is very popular, ma'am.
I'll have the cheesecake, then, please.
Would you like coffee with that?
No, just the cheesecake is fine.
All right. Anything else for you?
That's all for now. Thank you.
I'll place your order right away.
Thank you. Could I get the check later?
Of course, ma'am. I'll bring it then.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
I hope you enjoy your meal, ma'am.
I'm sure I will. Thank you. Dialogue 3. Asking for directions. Excuse me, good morning. Can you help?
Good morning. Sure, what's the problem?
I'm looking for the train station.
The train station? It's nearby, actually.
Could you please give me directions?
Of course. Walk straight down this street.
How far is it from here?
It's about a 10-minute walk.
Do I need to turn anywhere?
Yes, turn left at the second intersection.
What landmark should I look for?
There's a big clock tower, hard to miss.
After turning left, what's next?
Continue straight until you see the station.
Is the station on the right side?
Yes, it will be on your right.
Are there signs along the way?
Yes, there are signs to guide you.
Will I pass any shops on the way?
Yes, there's a bakery and a bookstore.
Is it safe to walk there?
Yes, it's a very safe area.
Thank you. Are there public restrooms nearby?
Yes, inside the station, near the entrance.
That's helpful. Is there a ticket counter?
Yes, it's inside, just after the entrance.
Is there a place to buy coffee?
Yes, there's a cafe inside the station.
What time does the station close?
The station is open 24 hours.
That's convenient. How about parking?
There's a parking lot right beside it.
Do they charge for parking there?
Yes, but the first hour is free.
That's good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you again.
Glad to help. Safe travels, Jane.
Thank you, Tom. Have a great day. Dialogue 4. At the doctor's office.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. How are you?
Good morning, John. I'm fine, thanks.
I have an appointment with you today.
Yes, I see. What's the issue?
I've been feeling tired and dizzy lately.
How long have you felt this way?
It's been about 2 weeks now.
Any other symptoms besides tiredness and dizziness?
Yes, I've also had frequent headaches.
Do you have any trouble sleeping, John?
Yes, I wake up several times nightly.
Are you under any unusual stress lately?
Yes, my work has been very stressful.
Stress can affect your health significantly.
I understand. Should I take some time off?
It might help. Rest is important.
Should I change my diet too?
Eating balanced meals could improve your energy.
Any specific foods I should avoid?
Avoid caffeine and sugary snacks, John.
Should I drink more water, then?
Yes, hydration is very important for you.
Should I take any medication, doctor?
I'll prescribe something for the headaches.
Should I be concerned about my symptoms?
Not too much, but monitor them closely.
How often should I check in?
Let's schedule a follow-up in 2 weeks.
Will I need any tests today?
I'll order a blood test, John.
Where should I go for that?
Our nurse will guide you. Don't worry.
Should I avoid any activities, doctor?
Just avoid heavy lifting and intense exercise.
Should I focus on light exercises, then?
Yes, walking and stretching would be good.
Should I take vitamins, Mr. Brown?
A multivitamin could support your health.
Should I get more sleep at night?
Yes, aim for at least 8 hours.
Will these changes improve my condition?
They should help. Just take it easy.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. I appreciate your help.
You're welcome, John. Take care and rest.
I will, doctor. See you soon.
See you soon, John. Stay healthy.
Dialogue 5. Making a hotel reservation. Good afternoon. I'd like to make a reservation.
Good afternoon. For what dates, ma'am?
I need a room for 3 nights.
Certainly. What dates will you be staying?
From Friday to Monday, please.
Would you prefer a single or double room?
A single room, please, with a view.
We have a single room available.
Does the room have a nice view?
Yes, it overlooks the city skyline.
That sounds perfect. What's the rate?
The rate is $120 per night.
Does that include breakfast each morning?
Yes, breakfast is included in the rate.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, we have a fully equipped gym.
Is Wi-Fi available in the room?
Yes, complimentary Wi-Fi is included, ma'am.
Great. Is there a cancellation policy?
Yes, free cancellation until 24 hours before.
That's good to know. Is parking available?
Yes, we offer secure parking for guests.
How much does parking cost per day?
Parking is $15 per day, ma'am.
That's reasonable. Are pets allowed here?
Yes, pets are welcome with an extra fee.
I don't have pets, so that's fine.
Wonderful. Do you have any special requests?
Yes, could I have a late checkout?
Certainly, late checkout is available upon request.
What time is the regular checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m., ma'am.
And late checkout would be when?
Late checkout is until 1 p.m.
That works for me. Can I book now?
Yes, I'll confirm your reservation now.
Thank you. Do you need my credit card?
Yes, a credit card is required for booking.
I'll provide it over the phone.
Thank you. Your reservation is now confirmed.
I appreciate your help. What's my confirmation number?
Your confirmation number is 54321.
Thank you. I'll see you Friday.
We look forward to your arrival, ma'am.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too, ma'am. Safe travels.